I will show you how to start investing in a Fidelity Roth IRA today. This video will be broken into multiple parts, showing you everything from how to open a Roth IRA, how to link your bank account, how to transfer money to your Fidelity account, how to buy stocks and mutual funds, and I will also show you how you can automate the entire investing process. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to open a Roth IRA using Fidelity. I will assume you don't already have a Fidelity account. If you do, the process will still be almost exactly the same. To get started, go to fidelity.com, hover over products, and click retirement and IRAs. Scroll down until you see Roth IRA, then click open an account. Then click open a Roth IRA. Once you're on this page, assuming you don't have an account, click no. And if you do have an account, just click yes, then click next. Once you are on this page, just fill out all of the info and then scroll to the bottom and click next. On this screen, it will ask about your employment info. Just fill it out and then click next at the bottom. This is the confirmation screen. Make sure everything is correct. And if it is, scroll all the way to the bottom and click open account. And you should now see this screen letting you know that you successfully opened a Roth IRA using Fidelity. If you already have a Fidelity account, then you can repeat this exact same process, but you won't have to fill out any of the info since Fidelity will already have it. And that is the end of this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to link a bank account to your Fidelity account. To get started, log into your Fidelity account, then click the Accounts and Trade tab, then click Transfers. Under the Manage section, click Link a Bank. For the first option, select Electronic Funds Transfer or Bank Wire, whichever one applies to you. Just keep in mind that a bank wire does have a possible bank fee. Select who owns the bank account that you're trying to link. So if you own the bank account that you're trying to link with your Fidelity account, just click Myself, and if not, just click Someone Else. Select Yes or No if this is a business bank account. In this example, I'll just choose no. For the last option, you can select the first one if you want to log into your bank account to link it with Fidelity. If not, you can select the second option if you want to enter the information manually, like entering your account and routing number. I'll just select this option for this example, then click continue. For the first option, it's asking which transfer type you would like to enable for this account. I would choose the electronic fund transfer since this option is free. In the dropdown, select which account you're trying to link your bank account with. So in this example, I'm trying to link a new bank account to my individual brokerage account, so I'll select this option. It's going to ask who owns this bank account. I'm just going to select I'm the owner in this case, and I'm using a checking account in this example, so I'll select the first one. Here, just type in your routing and account number, and then just click agree and continue. Follow the rest of the on-screen instructions, and that is all the steps you need to do to successfully link a bank account to your Fidelity account. That is the end of this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content. In this video, I will show you how you can easily transfer money to your Fidelity account. To get started, go to fidelity.com and log in. Hover over Accounts and Trade and click Transfers. Click Deposit, Withdraw, or Transfer Money. It's going to ask where the money is coming from. For most people, it will be a checking or savings account. Clicking the drop down, if you don't already have a bank account linked, we can just click Add a Bank. Hit Continue. Here, there are several different ways to transfer money. I will just be choosing the Electronic Fund Transfer option. Then it will ask, who do you want to send the money to? Most people will just click Myself. Hit Continue. It's going to send you a security code just to verify this process, so hit Continue. Once you enter your code, you should see a screen just like this. Looking down here, there are two different ways to connect your bank account. One is using Finicity, which will allow you just to log into your bank account to connect it easily, and the other option is to manually add the account and routing number. You can choose whichever option is the most convenient for you, but I will be showing you this option using Finicity. Clicking continue, click next. Here you can search for your bank. So in this example, let's say you wanted to connect your Bank of America bank account. You could just click Bank of America, click next. Here, you would just type in your username and password and follow the prompts to successfully connect your Bank of America bank account. I already did this process, so I won't be showing it, but once you successfully connected your bank account, then we can just go back to this screen. Now, when we click the drop down, we should see the bank that we just connected, so I'll select it here. It's going to ask where you want to transfer the money to. So for example, if you had a Roth IRA, you would just choose it from this list. But in this specific example, I'll just choose my brokerage account instead. Scrolling down, we can now select if this is a one-time transfer or a recurring transfer, as well as the amount. So just specify the amount you want to transfer. I'll just do $1 in this case and hit continue. Confirm all the information on this page is correct, and if it is, just hit submit. It will take a couple business days for the money to show up, but once it does, you would then be able to buy whatever stock you want in that specific account. If you have never bought a stock in your Fidelity account before, I have another video on my channel that shows you the exact step-by-step process of how to do that. That is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content. In today's video, I will show you how to buy stocks in your Fidelity account. To get started, go to fidelity.com and log into your account. Hover over Account and Trade and click Trade. Select the type of asset you want to purchase. In this case, I'll do stocks and ETFs, but if you want to do mutual funds or something else, you would just select it from this list. Select the account that you want to purchase the stocks in. In this example, I'll just be choosing my brokerage account. Make sure you have enough cash in order to buy the stock that you want. If you haven't transferred money into the account that you want to purchase your stocks in, I have another video on my channel that shows you the exact step-by-step of how to transfer money into your Fidelity account. Then type in the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. Let's say in this case, I'm just buying 1 share of Apple. Click buy. Specify how many shares you want to buy, or you can do a dollar amount as well. I'll just be doing 1 share of Apple, so I will just type in 1 here, click market, and then click preview order. This is a confirmation page. You might see a warning just like this if you're trying to buy a stock when the market's not open, but just double check all this information is correct and just click place order. That is the entire process of buying a stock on Fidelity. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content. In today's video, I will show you how to set up an automatic transfer in your Fidelity account. There are 2 important things to note before we get started. The first thing is that the automatic investment feature only works with mutual funds and not ETFs. The second thing is that you must manually purchase at least 1 share of the mutual fund that you're trying to set up an automatic investment with. To get started, log into your Fidelity account, and this is what the homepage should look like. Click Account and Trade, Transfers, click Manage Recurring Transfers. Click on Set up an automatic investment, and here select the Fidelity account that you want your automatic investment to go into. So in this specific example, I'll just use my HSA account. Then select the account that you want your money to come from. I'm just going to do my first option, but you can also choose an external bank account if you have one linked up. Hit continue. Select the mutual fund that you want to set up the automatic investment with. I will just choose this mutual fund that I have currently in my HSA. Then for the amount, just specify how much you want to transfer each time. The minimum is $10, so I would just do $10 for right now. Select the day of the month. I would just do 15 for this example. Select your frequency, and then for the stop date, just select either the first or second option. The first option has no stop date, so it will just keep making the transfer until you manually cancel this automatic investment. The second option will allow you to specify a date for when the automatic investment will stop. Once you have selected all your options, click Next. Verify all this information is correct at the top, and once you have, just click I agree. You should now see a confirmation letting you know that your automatic investment has successfully been created. That is the end of this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.